you and your team are going to get to do it the easy way when you stay on and discover the other 2 vital skills that I'm going to share with you so that they can work smarter, not harder. And actually become a master of learning new subject content using methods that mean they really get it. So many students are kind of suffering, for want of a better word, from this idea of we call it familiarity delusion. And that idea that something or some information is familiar because they've read it or they watched it in a tutorial, or even that they wrote heaps of notes on it. They feel like they know it, but do they really fully understand it? Do they get it? Could they explain it to someone else? Could they write a detailed response to any type of question that's asked around it? And that's something that really catches a lot of students out. So we want to make sure that if they're studying, especially if they're studying independently, that they're studying in a way that actually makes the information go in and click and stay in, and then be able to even flow back out when they want it to, from brain to paper in an assessment, an essay, an exam, whatever they're going to be faced with. So they have the tools and skills and strategies to actually apply that knowledge and tackle research, assignments, revisions, and exams smoothly and confidently. Because this phrase, work smarter, not harder, I actually really don't like it. I put it in here on purpose though, because I think it sounds wonderful, doesn't it? Just work smarter, not harder. And everyone's like, yeah, that sounds great. But how many students really know how to do that?